give a big round of applause to the multifaceted, glamorous Indian brand ambassador of L'Oreal Professional. Please give it up for Twinkle Khanna.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Well, as I was getting ready to come here, for the first time, I began to empathize with men and their performance anxiety issues because it was my hair that was refusing to rise to the occasion. Well, luckily, I didn't have to swallow a little blue pill, and I just had the folks at L'Oreal whisk their magic wand around me, and here I am. I'm deeply honored to be L'Oreal Professionnel's first Indian brand ambassador. This is a brand that's been part of my life ever since I first started coloring my hair almost 2 decades ago. Hair is such an important part of our lives. These dead cells that sprout from the top of our head. We cut it, we curl it, we color it. We even cry when we begin to lose it. Because after all, it is one of the ways that we interact with the world around us. Tell people who we are without using any words at all.
Well, which is your favorite color shade of L'Oreal Professional?
Well, normally I'm a redhead, but now I have French brown. I actually know the shade. It's Inoa's 6.23. It's better to know everything that goes into your body or your head, right? Yeah. I think the easiest thing to do is to be associated with a brand that you actually use, because then you don't have to lie. So for me, this was easy. I've been using this ever since I've been coloring my hair. And it was a perfect mix, I thought. She could actually write a book on that. She has a PhD. She really takes a lot of care of, with her mane. But more than anything else, she does have the best hair. And I told L'Oreal Professionnel, why don't you hire her instead? So I don't think it's just in a glamorous field. I think it just gives you a little bit of happiness. It's happiness in a bottle. It's the same way that you feel when you have a new shirt, or if you wear a color that complements you. Maybe pink brings out, the color in your cheeks, and certain colors in your hair bring out, make your eyes pop. I think that's about it. It's just happiness. It's nothing beyond that. So I think actually there's a really new product called Smart Bond by L'Oreal Professionnel, which prevents your hair from damage. It is probably one of the very few products that heals your hair from within the hair shaft itself. So if you mix a little bit of that in your hair color, then I think it saves you a lot of trouble in the long run. Me, the favorite look was the short bob, because I actually want to cut my hair like that, and I think maybe in a couple of months I might, yeah. So I have a lot of things to say, but that's a different platform. But since you brought this topic up, I think her bob looks a lot like mine, so I kind of like that. Yeah.
So there is no official statement on the same, so there's nothing that can be corroborated or confirmed. And I'm sure if there is a release like that, you all will be the first ones to hear of it, officially.
Personal,